Assalamu alaikum friends. In this time you should know how to use social media because it is a double-edged sword. While we can say there is a lot of goodness by using social media, but there is a lot of evil and we have to admit that too. But actually if we see, we just waste our time. It is up to us to know how to follow or who to follow, what to do or how to close your eyes, because this platform on which you are has been made interesting that way you cannot imagine. If you notice, a lot of the apps have now available with scrolling feature and it just keep going. Why? Because they need you there. So what will keep you there? That which is a waste of time. Today we know people are very sad in their real lives, and they begin to believe that the only happiness they are getting is from the screen and from social media. It is not the real life, it is virtual life. So we should follow what Allah has asked us to do and should use this social media within limits. But you already know Facebook has changed its name to Meta. The question is why they have changed it, why Mark Zuckerberg has done this. In this video of Sense Future, I am going to provide information about this Meta. So let us begin.
Are you coming?
Yeah, just gotta find something to wear. Alright, perfect.
We know that the parent company Facebook has hold of other apps like WhatsApp and Instagram. But now the parent company is not Facebook but Meta. Meta is now going to make a fictional universe with name Metaverse. Meta is going to hire 10,000 in EU to work on Metaverse. In this universe you will be given God power. How will be the God power? Let us see. These 10,000 EU will create 3D model of whole universe in which you can buy weapons, you can play anything which you like. That means in future via this fictional universe you will be able to create your house, your virtual character, and can do lot of things. But how this idea of making Metaverse came? Metaverse is a difficult term to explain, but if we try to understand it in easy way, Metaverse is a virtual world. In this technique you can enter into a digital world by using virtual identity, which means you will enter into a parallel world in which you have unique identity. You can visit anywhere you want and can meet with your friends and relatives virtually. Facebook is going to create its model similar to real world where you can attend virtual meetings. For this you have to need a VR set. After that you can easily enter into this fictional world and whatever you will speak it will be recorded. You can buy anything which you like via digital currency. According to Facebook, it will take few years to be available for everyone. It will be similar to social media but with 3D design. Control of this world will be in the hands of Mark Zuckerberg. There will be time when everyone will be using this normally and will compare it with real Jannat, and so the age of smartphone may decline. Since you follow guidelines of Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp, similarly you have to follow new rules and regulations of this world. In fact, they are going to control every moment of your real life. If you try to expose their policies, they may ban your account. In modern time, we see Muslims are unable to pray 5 times because they are busy on social media and gaming. So in future, they are going to completely remove your iman on Allah and Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. So Metaverse may have more impact on Muslims. Using Metaverse may have more loss than benefit, similar to alcohol. So we should be aware about halal or haram. That is why in present time we should use social media only when it is necessary and have any particular benefit. Spend your time on daily exercise, pray 5 times and try to gain knowledge and remain in touch with your parents and relatives. It will make your life happy and healthy. May Allah save us from this virtual fitna. Now I hope you must have got something informative by watching this video. If you have liked this video, then subscribe for more upcoming videos. See you all in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.